Alright, so let's just get started opening these up. I got 12 of them. Opened this one up earlier. But, let's see what we got here. First one we got is Shaun of the Dead. Let's see. Nice detail. Blood. Okay, so the first one got Shaun of the Dead. Not a bad start. Alright. Open up another one. And the next one we got is Alfred Hitchcock. The Bird. Let's see. Fix me a little bit here. So put them back down. Open up another one real quick. And this one actually feels pretty good, so I'm open it back. Oh, look at that. So, turn them around so you can see the detail. Very nice looking figure. We got both from Shaun of the Dead. Looking pretty good so far. Seems like he has a little issue standing, but let's get to our next box. Okay, so far we have a 1 in 12 Shaun. Right, we've got the 1 in 12 Alfred Hitchcock and 1 in 12. I think his name was Ned. I'm not really sure. The next one we got here. Look at that. Definitely classic here. We got the Nosferatu. See if I can show you the detail in him. Yeah. Got the nice little buttons in the back of his coat. It's a very good looking figure. There we go. Let's get them on frame to the next box. And here we got the Fly. That's definitely the Fly. This one looks very well done. Beautifully painted. Let's see. Okay. Get to the next one. Let's see, these are the ones I have so far. This is the first time I'm doing this, so. Oh, wow. This one looks pretty neat. We have Pinhead. from the Hellraiser series. And you can see each and every little bulb sticks out. It's nice and glossy because it was leather outfit he wore. See if you can see the gloss. And here we go. So right there, go to the next one. Alright. So again is the Horror Classics from Funko Mystery Minis Series 2. And I have about 5, 6 left to open. Okay, the next one we got is the Edward Scissorhand. Again, very glossy outfit, shiny. You can see the details in the buckles in the back. His hair is very detailed. Very nicely done. You can close up, you can see the scars on his face. So you get to see the scars on his face. The scissors are very well done. I'll open the next one up. There we go. Together, it is the Gremlin. Alright. This one again is very well painted. Details on his teeth. Back. Spiky hair. One's nicely done. Okay. Not trying to run this video too long. But luckily enough, I haven't gotten any doubles yet. And the next one we got is the Sea Creature. Very nicely done too. Let's see, the entire set. Next one we have is, oh, beautiful. Beautifully detailed Beetlejuice. Spinning around so you can see his hair. Even has a ring on his finger. It's very well done. I like that one. It's a big fan of Beetlejuice. And we have the last two right now. Let's see if we can get these open. And here we have the vampire from Lost Boys. I can't remember his name right now. I'm pretty sure someone will, and tell me in the comments. He is eating Chinese food. I do remember that this character was played by Kiefer Sutherland, and it looks very well done. Put him right there. And last but not least, this is my last box. Let's cross the fingers for a rare glow-in-the-dark one. together instead. And we get Frankenstein. Classic movie monster. Frankenstein. Cuts the bolts on this side. See the detail on the back. A little scuff there. There you got it. There you guys have it. It's 12 unboxing, 12 Funko Pop Hork Classics Series 2 Mystery Minis. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the button.